Welcome to IT Vision Enterprises Solution to Past Question in BECE Mathematics, Section A Objectives. Year 2001, questions 1 to 20. I am Lawrence Danso-Amoako, alias Kapiri Imposi. I am going to be your facilitator. April 2001, Mathematics, Section A, Objective Test, Duration 1 hour, Question 1. Set R equals 1, 3, 5, and 7, and set S equals 2, 4, 6, and 8. Find R union S. A quick way of writing R union S is to write down all the elements in R and combine them with the element in S, writing down each element only once. So, R union S equals to 1, 3, 5, and 7. 1, 3, 5, and 7. And then S equals to 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. We shall arrange the numbers in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the answer is D. Question 2. Find the missing numbers in the set 5, 10, 15, dash, 25, dash, dash, 40. Take note that the difference between 5 and 10 is 5. The difference between 10 and 15 is 5. So the next term after 15 is going to be equal to 15 plus 5. That is 20. The next term after 25 is going to be 25 plus 5. That is 30. The next term after 30 is going to be 35 plus 5. That is 35. So the answer is E. Question 3. What property of addition is defined by bracket open A plus B bracket close plus C equals to A plus bracket open B plus C bracket close? The property is associative, that is E. Question 4. Find the highest into bracket greatest common factor of 63 and 81. We shall first find the product of the prime factors of 63 and then 81. 63, 3 goes here, 21, 3 goes here, 7, 7 goes here, 1. So the product of the prime factors of 63 equals to 3 times 3 times 7. Now the product of the prime factors of 81. 3 goes here, 27. 3 goes here, 9. 3 goes here, 3. 3 goes here, 1. So the product of the prime factors of 81 equals to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now the HCF equals to 3 is common here, 3 is common here. So 3 times 3, which equals to 9. So the answer is C. Question 5. Change 1 to 4 to the base 5 to a base 10 numeral. We shall write 1, 2, 4. Since it's base 5, we shall multiply 5 to the power 0 here, 5 to the power 1, and 5 to the power 2, and then add them. 5 squared is the same as 25. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 to the power 0 is 1. So 4 over here. So 35 plus 4, that is 39. So the answer is C. Question 6. Kofi bought 4 books at an average price of 2,500. If the total cost of 3 of the books was 6,500, Find the cost of the fourth book. The total cost of the 4 books is going to be equal to the average price, that is 2,500 times 4. 4 times 25 is 100. So 0. So the total cost of the 4 books is 10,000. Now the cost of the 3 books is 6,500. So the difference will give you the cost of the 4th book, which is 3,500. So the cost of the 4th book is 3,500. That is A. Question 7. Find the sum of all even numbers between 70 and 80. The even numbers between 70 and 80 are 72, 74, 76, and 78. Now 72 plus 74. This is 614 plus 76, 12, 11, 12, and then 2 plus 78. That's 003. So the answer is D. Question 8. By how much is 5/6 greater than 3/4? We shall subtract 3/4 from 5/6 to get the difference. 5/6 minus 3/4. The LCM is 24. 6 goes into 24, 4. 4 times 5 over here. Minus 4 goes into 24, 6. 6 times 3 over here. So we shall get 24, 20 minus 18, which equals to 2/24. 2 goes here, 1, 2 goes here, 12. So 1/12. So the answer is A. Question 9. Evaluate 0.25 times 0.006 correct to 3 decimal places. That is 0.25 times 0.006 multiplication. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry 3. 6 times 2 is 12, 15. The number of decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to 3 decimal places is going to be equal to 0.002. So the answer is B. Question 10. Express 5/8 as a decimal fraction. We shall use the long division method. That's 8 into 5.0. 6 times 8 is 48. From 50 we shall get 2. 0. 2. 2 times 8 is 16. The difference is 4. 0. 5 times 8 is 40. So the answer is 0.625, which is C. Question 11. The following are angles formed at the center of a circle: 30 degrees, 70 degrees, 120 degrees, 2S, and 5S. Find the value of S. The angle at the center of a circle equals 360 degrees. Therefore, 30 plus 70 plus 120 plus 2S plus 5S should be equal to 360. This is 100 plus 120 plus 7S equals 360, or 220 plus 7S equals 360. 7S equals 360 minus 220, which equals to 140. S is going to be equal to 140 divided by 7, which equals to 20. So the answer is A. Question 12. On a map, 1 centimeter represents 4.5 kilometers. What is the actual distance between two towns which are 4 centimeters apart on the map? We know that 1 centimeter represents 4.5 kilometers. Therefore, 4 centimeters is going to represent 4.5 times 4 kilometers. 4.5 times 4. 4 times 5 is 0, carry 2. 4 times 4, 16 plus 2, 18. So the answer is C. Question 13. If 2y equals 6 minus 3s, find y when s equals to 0. That is 2y equals 6 minus 3s. We shall substitute s equal to 0 in the equation. So 2y equals 6 minus 3 times 0. Or 2y equals 6 minus 0. Or 2y equals to 6. We shall divide to the equation by 2. And then we shall get y to be equal to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So the answer is E. Question 14. How many lines of symmetry has an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry, so the answer is A. Question 15. Kofi's age in the next 10 years will be 4 times his age 5 years ago. How old is Kofi now? Let Kofi's age now be S. His age in the next 10 years is going to be S plus 10. His age 5 years ago is going to be S minus 5. His age in the next 10 years, S plus 10, is going to be equal to 4 times his age 5 years ago. Now let's multiply through 4s minus 20, s plus 10. We shall send s to the other side of the equation. 4s minus s. We shall send minus 20 to the other side of the equation. 10 plus 20. So 30 equals 3s. So s equals to 10. So the answer is C. Question 16. A point P with coordinates 3, 4 is rotated to an angle of 90 degrees anticlockwise about the origin. Find the image P1 of rotation. The rule of rotation is S1 maps into minus y s. So 3, 4 will map into 4, 3 minus. So the answer is D. Question 17. Which of the following is not a quadrilateral? D. Triangle. Question 18. Express 2,345 in the standard form. That is 2,345. In the standard form, there should be only one digit to the left of the decimal point, which is not 0. To obtain this, we have to shift the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places, and this is equivalent to dividing the above number by 1 with 3 zeros. That is 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 1 with 3 zeros. Since we've divided by 1 with 3 zeros, we should multiply by 1 with 3 zeros. This one here is equivalent to 2.345 times 1000, or 2.345 times 10 raised to the power 3. So The answer is C. In short, to convert 2, 3, 4, 5 into standard form, we shall shift the decimal point 3 places to the left to obtain 2.345, and therefore multiply by 10 raised to the power 3. Question 19. Solve the inequality. 3 times into brackets s minus 1 is less than or equal to 12. That is 3 times into brackets s minus 1 is less than or equal to 12. We shall divide through the inequality by 3. So 3 here, 3 here. 3 cancels 3. 3 goes here, 4. So s minus 1 is less than or equal to 4. So s is less than or equal to 4. We shall send minus 1 to the other side of inequality. So plus 1. So s is less than or equal to 5. So the answer is D. Question 20. Kofi and Amma shared an amount of money in the ratio 3:2 respectively. If Kofi had 60,000 cedis, how much was shared? Kofi and Amma shared the money in the ratio 3:2. The total ratio is going to be 3 plus 2, that is 5. Kofi had 60,000 cedis and the ratio was 3. So 3 will correspond with 60,000 cedis. The total amount will correspond with 5. So 5 will give us more. If more, less divides. So 5 divided by 3 times 60,000. 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 times 20 is 100. So 100,000. So the answer is D.